today we're going to be taking off my makeup, y'all. First of all, y'all, it is 11:28. I've had this makeup on for about, quick math, I want to say like 12 hours at least so far. And look at me. Gorgeous. All praise, all credit goes to the One Size by Patrick Starr. So a few months ago, I had purchased the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Say that 10 times fast. This is going to basically be my review about it because I also love this stuff, okay? I don't know how to explain it. Not quite like a makeup smell. I don't know. Like, it smells nice, but it definitely has a scent, but nothing like too harsh. Like, it's giving us, it's scented, but like the scent is trying not to be scented. You feel me? Like, that's what I get from it. So I really just take, I don't know why I did that. This ain't YouTube. Anyways, I take about this much, a glob size. Don't go raw, y'all. And I literally just put it on, bro. And you guys will literally see in real time as it melts my makeup away, bro. And that little amount that I put on, real life. I look like the potato, not the potato, the peanut butter baby. Literally. All you need. Just take it everywhere. So, I haven't honestly been wearing too much makeup this summer because it was honestly kind of hot and I just couldn't do it. Like, literally, y'all. How long is this? I don't know how long this is taking, but y'all see it right here. Real time. Real time. And I'll be back. I'm gonna wash my face, obviously. This is what my hands look like. Okay, so I'm back, guys, and this is what my face looks like after just, you know, using the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm and melting off all the makeup and washing my face. I haven't gone in with a second cleanser yet, but I will. I just wanted to show you guys what my face looks like just with the cleansing balm from the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration. Yeah, in my opinion, that is pretty damn good. So yeah, my overall review, 8 out of 10. I'm actually damn near done this one. I think it's also affordable, like financially. If you guys have tried this before, definitely let me know in the comments how it worked for you, if it broke you out or anything like that, if you like the smell. Even though I said it's giving like scented on scented, it low-key kind of gives like childhood Play-Doh. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but anyways, yeah. Like very nostalgic smell, and honestly I don't think it broke me out, or at least I couldn't like directly correlate it to this product. I do have hormonal acne, I would say, meaning like I break out during my period and things like that, or if I'm like stressed and just like But yeah, that is it for this video and my final review and takeaway. I definitely would recommend and would purchase one more time. So I have been Genesis. Definitely follow me. That's pretty much it. Have a good day. Bye!